Have you ever wondered if your garden could feed you as well as please your eyes? Enter the intriguing concept of edible landscaping, a harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality. This innovative gardening method serves a dual purpose. It beautifies your space while producing your very own fresh food. The benefits are immense. Think cost-effectiveness, sustainability, and the unmatched freshness of homegrown produce. Imagine a garden teeming with vibrant colors, varied textures, and the bonus of delicious fresh produce right at your fingertips. Creating an edible landscape may sound complex, but it's a simple process that anyone can master. It all begins with a well-thought-out plan. Take into account your local climate, the type of soil in your garden, the space you have available, and the plants you'd like to grow. Some plants may thrive in your garden's conditions, while others may not. Once you've planned out your garden, it's time to get your hands dirty. Choose the right time to plant, prepare the soil, and plant your seeds or seedlings. Remember, your plants will need care. Regular watering, weeding, and pest control are all part of the process. And then comes the most rewarding part, the harvest. Knowing when your produce is ripe and ready to be picked is crucial. Harvesting correctly ensures your plant continues to produce and your garden remains vibrant. With patience and a little effort, your garden can transform into a bountiful feast for both your eyes and your palate. Now that you know the process, the possibilities are endless. Imagine cultivating a hobby that intertwines creativity, nature, and sustainability. That's edible landscaping for you. It's not just about having a beautiful yard, it's about growing your pantry, right outside your door. It's a delightful activity for families, a wonderful way to teach kids about where food comes from. Give edible landscaping a try, share your experiences, and watch as your garden becomes a source of joy and nourishment. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.